YouTube, good morning. Mike here, back with another one. Yeah, today I'm doing something different. Actually, I'm following my wife and we're headed to the dog beach. I have a small dog and we're gonna take him to the doggy beach. So yeah, I got a mini poodle and he doesn't get out much, so we're gonna take him to the dog beach. So I told her, I said I'll go, but I still have to do my morning ride. So she's like, well, just follow me. I'm like, cool, no problem. Yeah, there he is right there, poking his little head out. So yeah, again, I'm on my new helmet because I'm getting on the highway, so I wanted to test it out on the highway. But usually I wear my Rock helmet with this bike. That's just how it's going to be. But yeah, I just want to test out how it is. So yeah, today I just wanted to talk about the quick comparisons from, you know, riding a bigger bike to a lower cc bike, whether you got like a Ninja or a Yamaha R3, and the guys that you know, have bigger bikes and smaller bikes and end up keeping them. I guess they keep them for a reason. Like me, I'm keeping mine because I just love this bike. I love how this bike looks, and I love how it feels. And it's still gonna, I feel like this bike, I'm gonna ride this bike around the city a lot more than my VFR 800. This is just a more I don't know, it's fun. It's more fun. Well, it's fun to ride the other bike too. This bike still sounds so good. Man, I'm telling you, this helmet is so airtight that it's like every stop I have to open the windshield, because like my Rock would let more air in. This doesn't let that much air in, man. It's unbelievable. But yeah, do I think it's better to ride this bike on the streets than my 800? Yeah, definitely. I definitely feel that. But you know, they're both, I'm not, if anybody thinks about getting that bike or wants that bike, I wouldn't deter them from getting that bike and ride it from the street. I just know in my area it's probably a little bit more beneficial to ride the VFR, because see, my roads are, you know, they're stretched out and the speed limits are 45 and up usually. So we don't have much 30 miles per hour road where I live. Where I used to live, there was more, but you know. But I thought about taking the VFR since I got to get on the highway for a good minute, but I haven't rode it all week, so I have to at least ride this bike once a week. I have to, like. All right. Hopefully it's not raining anywhere up north today. I'd be mad. But I'd get through it, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of follow her, let her lead the way, because she knows she goes more than me. So I've only been a couple times. This windscreen is still good for the highway too, so I think I probably said it before, but if you have this bike and you want better wind deflection, either get the tall OEM Honda windscreen or the aftermarket one I have, which the link is in the description of my All Mods video. So, you know. But man, no wind in my helmet at all. Yeah, so man, this helmet's better than my Rock helmet. I'm not gonna say way better, because I still like how my Rock helmet looks, but I guess when it comes to, you know, quality of this helmet is better. Yeah, look at that. 350Z. And what is that? Supra. Man, look at the camber on those wheels, man. Nice. Yeah, those guys are videotaping too. That was cool. So I had to get them on camera. That was pretty cool. I don't know, maybe they got a YouTube. I do too, so. Yeah, they got big bikes. Man, my wife is getting up, man. One thing I will say, since it is a new helmet, I gotta break it in a little bit, so at least my cheeks are not like bunched together. So that's pretty cool. See the sky? No, see the sky. The sky looks a little dark. She's so funny. I'm telling you, if it's raining when we get there, I'm turning back around. So yeah, we're almost at our destination. So yeah, it looks like it's not gonna be raining by where we're gonna be at, so hey, it works out, you know. So actually, my wife used to work up here. When she did dog grooming for a minute, a good while, and she's very good at it. But you know, once I started my business, and you know, I had to give her a job with me, and now she started her own business. She sells jewelry, not costume jewelry, real, you know, gold jewelry, gold plated, you know, a lot of women's stuff. So officialbabefactory.com if you guys are interested. But anyway, yeah, I don't know, it's still looking like there's some clouds up here, and you see that it looks like it just rained. I can see water. Those are telltale signs. I don't know, let's just hope. Alright, here we are. Going down to the beach.
Ooh, look at those waves. Actually, the exact one I used to come to at night because it wasn't stairs.
Right.
Yeah.
There's my little Yoshi. 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 Come here, boy. All right. Yeah, so this is the doggy beach. You see all the dogs. You can see. I don't know. I didn't bring my ND filter. But alright guys, I'll catch you on the way back. I had to show you guys the water real quick. I didn't get too close. But yeah, man. Nothing like some good beach water, man. Perks of living in South Florida, right?